So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the importance of carefully choosing your source and the channel from which you'll be able to launch your prospecting campaign. So first of all, on this page, we're in prospection, start and play. Okay, this is where you handle the settings a bit. And first, you have a brief summary of a campaign that's currently running. So for a campaign that's currently running, you have the option to pause it, which will temporarily stop the campaign. And of course, you can resume it whenever you want or stop it altogether. In this convenient little box, you will find some truly important and valuable information, such as the essential leads. These are the potential prospects whom you will be contacting in the near future. You should know that you'll be contacting about 40 people per day on average. Those who have been contacted with an invitation sent, and those who have accepted, that is those who have accepted your invitation and with whom you are potentially in conversation. Here, just below, is the performance. So you have three sources: first, second, and third source. To start from the beginning, the first source and channel is the search URL from the LinkedIn universe. So what is the search URL? You go on LinkedIn, you do a search, for example, sales directors in Bordeaux, you launch your search, and you also have various filters which are less important and numerous than those in Navigator, but you start your prospecting. And here it's extremely simple. You take the search URL that corresponds to that search and those leads, and you copy and paste that URL here. You launch it, and the AI will automatically prospect all the people who were selected in that search. Here, I have a campaign in progress. You can see the statistics. In this case, I use LinkedIn myself to launch my search. If you have Sales Navigator, then it's even simpler. You do a search in Sales Navigator, well, just as simple. You have your different criteria. You can modify them dynamically, whether it's a saved search or a list of people. You take the URL and copy-paste it here. Same thing, same process. It will prospect the first 2,500 people from that search list. Second option, you start from a LinkedIn post, again using a URL. Here you go to a post. So here I have a post from Clément, and you see he made a post that really took off. You have a competitor who made a post that went viral. You have an influencer who made a post and you're interested in the people who engage with it. Once again, it's extremely simple. All these people who liked and commented on this post, you can prospect them. So, same principle. You take the URL, copy and paste it into clients here, start the prospecting, and it will automatically reach out to everyone who liked or commented on this post, of course, using the instructions and messages you previously set up in prospecting instruction. Third option, when you are a paying client of clients, you are provided by default with at least one file containing 800 qualified prospects. These 800 prospects are of this type. So here we have the domain practitioners, pharma world. Let's take an example with CEOs. So here it's a slightly larger list that we've delivered, but with first name, last name, information about the person, biography, headline, LinkedIn profile, company information, etc. In short, you take this file. It's very simple, a downloaded CSV file. You import this CSV file into clients here. You start the prospecting, and your AI will reach out to every person in this file, one by one, with different messages, because the first name, last name, company, biography, and the person's story are all different. So naturally, the messages will be different as well. A little tip, if you want to remove certain people, that's very easy. First, you just need to delete a column. Very good. Otherwise, if on your LinkedIn post or your search there are people you absolutely do not want to prospect, no problem. You just need to individually add little stars. That means, for example, when you're in a conversation with someone, let's say Sébastien Vuillot, whom I prospected to inform him, it's not necessarily commercial prospecting. It can also be informational. If I want to disable the AI for my exchange with Sébastien, I just click on the star. That's it, quite simply. So there you have it. You know everything. Three sources of prospecting, a LinkedIn search. A search URL from the LinkedIn universe, regular LinkedIn or Sales Navigator, a LinkedIn post. You just copy and paste the URL each time, or use the CSV file you have, which belongs to you, or that we provide and will also belong to you. And Genria takes care of it and will allow you to send the messages you've set up here one by one, unique and personalized messages to all your prospects. Thank you all.